Moonlight The Halloween Cat by Cynthia Ryland. Midnight loves the night. It is her favorite time. She walks, soft and black, over the grass, along the fences, through the trees. Midnight loves all the nights, but Halloween is her favorite. Things are a little different. Pumpkins smile at her. Straw laps welcome her. And children are out. Moonlight loves children. She follows them, but they don't see her. She's black, like the night. On Halloween, the moon is yellow and wide. Moonlight sits in a tree and watches it. Very late, the owls fly. Moonlight watches them. And sometimes there's a rabbit. Moonlight walks the night. She sees lights going off in the houses. Now only pumpkins will shine. She sees raccoons on porches. She sees stars in the pond. She also sees a dog in its warm little bed. Moonlight is a Halloween cat. It is her favorite night of all. The pumpkins smile. The stars shine. And someone has dropped a candy, a treat for a Halloween cat. The end.